I know you guys can smell that, man. Fall is in the air, my children. And to kick off fall, you guys already know we have a meet and greet that is not this weekend, but next Sunday, September 15th. It is in Houston, Texas for all of you guys. So I'm having a huge pop-up shop. A ton of vintage vendors are gonna be in the building at the Bayou City Convention Center in Houston, Texas. The event is from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. It is family friendly, so everyone who is in Houston or Texas, please get the day off and come through. And most assuredly is going down. I put up a couple $1,000 to put on this event, so it really would mean the world if you guys pull up, show love, show up, and show out. It definitely is going down. If you guys are in the market for vintage gear or just want to kick it, chop it up, and meet your boy, then I definitely recommend you guys come through. I would be ever so humble, grateful, and appreciative because yeah, man, this is the first event that I've really ever hosted, and it'd be awesome if all you guys pulled the hell up. All right, also, shout out to everyone who watched my Goodwill video. Now, I got a lot of support, a little bit of criticism, and I agree with everything that was pretty much said in that video, except for the fact that some of you guys were like, I spent a day. I didn't. I spent 20 minutes. Some of you guys said I spent more money on gas than I saved. It's not true at all. Believe it or not, the Thrift Chariot is very fuel efficient.
It has been proven that the more aerodynamically styled a vehicle is, the easier it slices through the air. And now, Ford brings you the age of Aerostar. Aerostar, the most aerodynamic design in its class.
Which is a surprise, but I mean, with that Aerostar freaking like body shape, bro, it's no doubt, no question. Now, one person did say that their sister used to work at Goodwill and was disabled and they paid her $3 an hour. So I never touched on this in any videos because quite frankly, I've been banned from Goodwill before. And yeah, I'm afraid to say anything that is disparaging towards them, but that actually is a true statement. They do pay disabled workers less than minimum wage, which sucks.
There are even places in America where Goodwill workers earn as little as 22 cents an hour. Sheila worked at the Goodwill facility in Great Falls, Montana, earning about $3.50 an hour for 4 years. She says she quit last summer when they lowered her wage to $2.75 an hour.
But yeah, someone commented that and that was very eye-opening, shocking, and just confirmed all the stuff that I've seen through interviews in my own research. So yeah, each Goodwill is different though. They're ran regionally, so some Goodwills do pay their disabled people, I guess, minimum wage, but a lot of them don't, and it is completely legal for them to do so. So mark my words in this video, if I ever open a physical store location, I'm going to hire disabled people and I'm gonna pay them what they deserve to be paid for their work, regardless of their mental capacity. All right, now without further ado, man, we have a fan flame unboxing. We have a bunch of heat. Actually, some of it is from the interwebs, some of it is from you guys. It's gonna be a little bit of everything. Let's get into it today. All right, so first and foremost, I know that this box is from one of you guys because it came to my P.O. box. So I definitely want to start this video off with some love to all you guys who do support me, especially all the people who have been buying stuff from my vintage website. I don't know if some of you guys have ever checked it out, but yeah, my website is completely stocked today, so you guys might want to go ahead and check that out. There's going to be a lot of fire and grails at the pop-up, but if those grails don't sell, they're going to be on my online shop, and I always distribute about half of my heat to the website as well. Oh my God. Okay. First of all, we got a banger up in here. Holy, oh my holy Toledo. All right, it says, Mr. Paul Cantu, first time caller, long time listener. You, sir, have been a pimpspiration for my vintage 90s love affair. Your channel is premium entertainment for the masses. Keep the content coming. Enclosed is an Aquaberry fit. Please enjoy. Yo, go follow the boy on Depop, man. It is Xelabeary. So Zelaberry already. If you're ever in Minneapolis, I added letters to that. And need a crash zone, DM me. Bet, bro. Appreciate you, fam. Zella, I appreciate you, brother. That's a cool name if that's your government name. All right, so Aquaberry fit. Starting off on the top of the dome piece, you got the Mitchell and Ness kind of like custom, I guess, Mexican blanket brim. Little Coogee color scheme going on right there. That's cool. Godzilla versus Megalodon. Let's go! A classic, man. Star Classics. Actually, I'm about to start editing VHS footage into my videos. I got a converter, so I'm excited about that. Oh, the homie pulled one of my moves. You guys know if you buy anything off my website, you guys do get cards and stickers. That's the only place you guys can get them. So yeah, he threw in some cards. Very cool, appreciate that. And wow, okay. What is this? Oh, hell no, bro. Is this some cut and sew action? What on this? Good God. What on this earth? You got this tiny little pajama crop top made of Space Jam fabric. That's dope, man. I wish this fit me. If I try to fit into this, I would look like a transsexual. Sue me. You also have the Charlottesville, Michigan. I think that's what this says. I can't read Charlevoix. Dang, bro, that's high key French. Also threw in the Aquaberry granny pants. I don't know, man. Appreciate you for all the stuff though, man. I love you guys, for real. Aww. All right, we got another little piece right here. I don't know if I ordered this off eBay or this is from a fan. Hold on, let me see what's good. Oh no, this is off eBay. They f***ed up. I hate when people do this, bro. They sticking with the Aquaberry theme. They shipped me a hat in an envelope, bro. Don't ever disrespect vintage sports specialty scripts, especially in the Aquaberry colorway, by crushing them in an envelope. That's disrespectful. Got the bees and the trap. My favorite insect, a hoe net. Bowling. Man, they're tripping for that shit, brothers. Tripping. Oh, what did I get? This is something I purchased offline and online. Oh! Yes, sir. Vintage Nike windbreaker. A very clean maroon and navy blue color scheme, looking as deep blue as the Mariana Trench. That's cool. Let's see what else we got. Also, I hope you guys enjoy these videos, man, because you know what? I like showing you guys what I order and what you guys send me. All right, they wrap this little parcel up. Oh! Dang, I forgot I had all these heaters. You got Bugs and Taz swagged out in the Marlins gear. Holy shit. Guys, like I ordered these things like months ago and I'm just now getting around to recording. Taz has dreads looking like Ricky Williams. Fire, this is 1993. What up? All right. Got another little package right here. Dude, anytime I do these unboxings, my living room is a mess. What is this? Oh, I remember. NASCAR banger. It's that boy Jimmy John, not the sandwich, son. You dig, you got the Jimmy Johnson tee, Superman in this hoe. Watch me crank it, watch me roll.
Soldier boy, tell.
All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, this is a personal grail, guys. Like, and I'm not even playing. I've seen people have these. I've seen them everywhere online, and I finally got my hands on one. This one I think I got for like 20 bucks. It's the Mighty Ducks bars. Dope jersey. Animated. The movie goes hard, even though the dude who's the main actor, I don't know his actor like or real life name, but he has a very punchable face. Who knows? I might have a punchable face, but I hated his style. Like, anyways, this is a fire piece, Mighty Ducks. You got that boy Donald in the goalie gear and attire, and then on the back you got the Mighty Duck giant logo, Codeine Aqua. Come on, perfect. All right, we gotta just keep busting through these. Oh, what do we got right here? Another delight. Look at this, vintage Asics windbreaker. Holy Jesus, bruh, this thing looks like it's never been worn. God, that is a honey chipotle chicken crisper. Why does the Asics logo look like two Reebok logos put on top of each other? I don't even know. No one does. Oh yeah, you guys already know the vibe. Another one. Dude, this is a crazy color scheme. It's like olive and blue. Nike vintage windbreaker. Gray tag. Hopefully it's, you know, y'all can see that. Bruh. You already know the business. UT color scheme. Nike, another vintage windbreaker. I forgot I caught so many windbreakers, but this is so clean. Little Nike on the back. Good Lord. Nike on the front and on the back. All right, we have only 3 more parcels, so let's just get into them all in this video. I feel like that definitely is the necessary thing to do. Oh my God, I forgot about this one as well. Guys, I got so many crispy heaters in the mix. Look at this all over print. Brickyard, Brick Squad, 400 shirt. This dude is gloving up like he's about to commit a homicide. Bro, on the back, look at that. You got him in the whip, straight staring at the trophy. Oh man, in the visor reflection. I love these all over prints. This is like an American flag colorway. So dope. That red, white, and blue matches with just about everything. All right. Now, these are, in no particular order. Why, bro? See, this is what I'm always afraid of online, man. Why? I got this fire piece and it is just dirty as hell. Like, they did not photograph how dirty this was. And I've waited so long to open this that I can't even leave like a review. But they said nothing about how dirty it was. This thing got like ass stains. Like, it looks like someone was wearing this in a stall next to someone with explosive diarrhea, and like the fragments of diarrhea were just ricocheting off the bathroom walls and onto this person's fit. This is atrocious. It's still Fire World Cup 94, but like I can't do anything with that, bro. Like, stupid, bruh. Stupid. Oh. Boom! Oh, dang it. Boom, baby! Got that Reebok forest green pullover, boy. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of places you guys can find heat. Honestly, I recommend my website over all the others. No, I'm lying. I don't have everything in the world. Obviously, I'm just a one-man operation. But I do have stuff that's up for steal. Right now, pretty much everything on my website is less than 25 bucks shipped. So a lot of things are like $15 on my website or less, excluding shipping and handling, because that takes time for me to do, and I gotta pay for shipping. But anyways, nevertheless, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to get out this quick little content. And again, pull up next Sunday, September 15th, Houston, Texas, Bayou City Convention Center. All the info is in the description. So yeah, come to a crazy indoor vintage extravaganza and event is going down. Peace out. Yeah, keep dropping these comments. I love y'all.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.